My name is Chris Baccia. I'm the Senior Director of GIS and Records at Lightpath Fiber.
My name is Michaela Martinez, and I'm the System Analyst on the GIS and Records team at Lightpath Fiber.
The IQGeo Software Network Manager has been deployed as our fiber network inventory system. It tracks all of our as-built data as well as our in-construction data. We have all sorts of roles that use Network Manager in our company.
Our contractors and designers are using IQGeo out in the field to be able to track splices and jobs for our splicers out in the field, so the work can be done in IQGeo and then exported very efficiently and easily and handed over right to the field technicians, so then they can go and make accurate splices out in the field.
Then we have folks in the operational areas such as an NMC, the Network Management Control, where they have to support the network. So if there's an outage, they use it to troubleshoot the network and identify the fault, and we can quickly isolate it and repair it so the customers experience minimal downtime.
Lightpath is using IQGeo in a really great way with our permitting department, where they can enter in links, they can enter in documents, and all the information they need. And it also creates really great timelines to see when permits should be completed. And so we can track that and pull the data out of the system and use that for our executives, so we can track timelines, why things are behind. And our permitting department has really honed in on this process, because we could even now project out our pole usage and things like that we would never be able to do without IQGeo. What I think people should know about IQGeo is the company is so open for change, and they're open to hear their customers' thoughts and implement new features as we see and need them in our system.
IQGeo definitely has some massive capabilities and potential to increase efficiency even more than what we're doing now. I'm really excited to see how AI can be introduced to some of the things we do on a day-to-day basis, cut down on our clicks, cut down on the time spent doing mundane things. I'd rather my employees and my coworkers spending their time doing actual work that matters instead of clicking, scrolling, all that stuff that wastes our time.